Are you hungry?
Feast mode activated. #hungry. FeedMeMore.com.
Do you not know how to make any of those fancy recipes? Then you, my friend, have come to the right place, because here I have for you 10 easy steps to make the best sandwich ever. This recipe was brought to you by Rhys's Garbage Recipes. The first step is that you're going to want to make sure to wash your hands very thoroughly. This is because you don't want to get any germs or bacteria all over your sandwich while you're making it. Next, you're going to want to get your bread, your cheese, your salami, and the almighty mustard. Next, you're going to put the bread in the toaster. I prefer a lower setting, but you can do whatever you want. Next, you're going to actually pop it in, and now you're going to wait. Once your bread is out of the toaster, you're going to apply your cheese to the bread. Once you've applied your cheese, you're going to want to take your cheese and put it in the microwave. I'd say about 30 seconds in the microwave should be good enough to melt it, but this can vary depending on the microwave that you have, so you can do whatever you think is appropriate. While you're waiting for your cheese to melt in the microwave, you can apply the salami to the other slice of bread. Once your cheese is done in the microwave and it's nice and melted, you should take it out of the microwave and set it down. Once you've set it down, you're going to want to take the almighty mustard and apply it to your cheese slice. Then you're going to take the two slices of bread and fold them together to make a sandwich. Now you may be asking, now what do I do? Well, now you enjoy your sandwich. You can finally enjoy the fruits of your very minimal labor.